students, good morning to you all. Today I am going to start making another video for class 7 and 10. The same topic is there, nutrition in human. What we are going to cover is nutrition in human. This I have already covered. मैंने एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी बनाया है और मैंने अपलोड किया है, लेकिन आज मैं आपको न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन टॉपिक वाइज और यू कैन से ऑर्गन वाइज आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. ये छोटे छोटे वीडियोस होंगे जिसमें हर एक ऑर्गन के बारे में एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा, इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी बोथ. एज वी नो, इन एनी सिस्टम, न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन is also known as digestive system. Digestive system. This system comes in nutrition in animals. और मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, सिस्टम का मतलब होता है जब बहुत एक से अधिक ऑर्गन्स एक साथ कोऑर्डिनेटेड मैनर में फंक्शन करें. तो इसी तरह डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में भी बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? द फर्स्ट वन यू ऑल आर नोइंग इज बकल कैविटी. What is that? That is buccal cavity, also known as oral cavity. It is also known as oral cavity. What happens here? यहाँ क्या होता है? This oral cavity is responsible for ingestion. Ingestion means intaking of food in mouth. Intaking of food in mouth. So this process takes place in buccal cavity. But there are some organs found in buccal cavity. This mouth is known as buccal cavity, and it comprises tongue, teeth, and salivary gland. You are knowing well कि हमारा जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है उसमें केवल ऑर्गन्स ही नहीं, कुछ 5 glands also associated. 5 glands are also associated in this digestive system. So let us talk about buccal cavity, or how does it takes, what happens, or what is the responsibility of tongue, teeth and salivary gland. Tongue, you know, there is a muscular flip-like structure which is attached to your throat, having no bones. Then why it is there in our buccal cavity? Because ये जो है सबसे पहले ये हेल्प करते हैं सलाइवा जो कि सलिवरी ग्लैंड से सिक्रीट होता है. इट हेल्प्स इन मिक्सिंग ऑफ सलाइवा इन फूड. मिक्सिंग ऑफ सलाइवा विथ फूड ये हेल्प करता है. पहला हेल्प टंग का वो है. दूसरी हेल्प क्या है इसकी? डू यू नो, हैव यू एवर नोटिस्ड, आपने कभी नोटिस किया है, व्हेन यू च्यू योर फूड, जब आप अपना खाना चबाते हैं तो ये टंग है जो कि आपके खाने को बार बार टीथ के पास भेजता है for getting well crushed. So this tongue helps you in crushing your food by sending it again and again near the teeth. Otherwise क्या होता, हम कभी सर को इधर हिलाते, कभी सर को इधर हिलाते, तब जाके हमारा खाना इधर उधर होता. So it helps in crushing of food. What is the third one? Nothing to do, just do one thing. आप अपने टंग को अपने तालू से चिपका लीजिए and try to speak. You cannot. You cannot speak. So it means it also helps in speaking. ये आपको बोलने में भी मदद करता है. और एक और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है इसका, टंग के ऊपर टाइनी बम्प्स होते हैं. टंग के ऊपर टाइनी बम्प्स होते हैं, छोटे 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 बम्प्स होते हैं. दे आर द टेस्ट बर्ड्स. व्हाट दे आर कॉल्ड? दे आर कॉल्ड taste buds, and these taste buds are responsible for tasting the food you have ingested. This is about tongue. I hope you understood. Now what is the teeth? अब हम जानेंगे कि ये teeth क्या है. So these teeth grows in humans lifetime twice. Human के lifetime में ये जो teeth है वो 2 बार grow करता है. First time it is called temporary or milk teeth. It is known as milk teeth or temporary teeth. It's okay. And second time when it comes, that is called permanent teeth. What they are called? Permanent teeth. Milk teeth are 20 in number and permanent teeth are 32 in number. It's okay. So twice teeth grows in the lifetime of human beings, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth. It remains up to 10 to 12 years, and then after permanent teeth comes. It's okay. So now let us talk about the types of teeth. Teeth are of 4 types. The first one, incisors. Second one, canines. Third one, premolars. And the fourth one, molars. Premolars and molars. What is the number of incisors? Incisors are 8 in number, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Canines are 4 in number, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Premolars are 8 in number, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. And molars are 12 in number, they are 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. Incisors used for biting. Canines used for tearing. Premolars used for crushing. And molars for grinding well. So this is the function of incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And do you know, in milk teeth, only 20, number of teeth are 20. Why do you know? Because children below 12 years, they do not consist, they have only how many teeth? So they have only 20 teeth. They have only 20 teeth. They don't have premolars. उनके पास प्रीमोलर्स नहीं होते हैं और 2 विजडम टीथ नहीं होते हैं. उनके पास 8 प्रीमोलर्स नहीं होते हैं और 2 विजडम टीथ नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए उनके टीथ का नंबर क्या होता है? 20 होता है. Only 20 in number. So this is all about buccal cavity or oral cavity. We have come to know. Then one more thing was there, no, salivary gland. Salivary glands secrete saliva, which is responsible for the digestion of starch present in your food. So it converts starch into simpler carbohydrate. So I hope you people have understood this digestive system. This is about the nutrition in humans. In my next class, I'll make you understand the function of esophagus. And slowly I'll go ahead. So thank you all of you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and write the comments. Did you understand or not? Thank you.